Hello. Another unboxing for you today. About a year ago, I unboxed and reviewed the BenQ ScreenBar e-reading lamp, and I liked it a lot. It has a touch panel on top of it and stuff like that. It's USB power. It's a nice lamp, really. As you can see here, this Taiwan Excellence Gold Award 2018. A lot of people like it. It's a nice lamp, but they've come out with a new version called the ScreenBar Plus. This one, this would be the top of the lamp right there, and the touch sensors, touch panels are on the top, but they have changed it around and moved it to a control right here. And now this one is $163.38 on Amazon. It is the BenQ e-reading LED task auto dimming and U adjustment features matte black USB powered office lamp. ScreenBar Plus. It has a dial, the desktop dial with auto dimming, ambient light sensor on the dial. Let's check this out here real quick. It's pretty much the same. I mean, mostly the same. There's a few little design changes, obviously, because of there's no touch sensor or anything like that. But one thing nice about it is USB powered. You don't have to worry about that. There's a counterweight on the back of it, so it balances on your monitor. But let's check it out here. Packaging is, fairly nice, I guess, whatever you want to call it. Let's move this down a little bit. Okay. It's not in English. Okay. So, I really don't see any English here. Okay, well, there is some English on here to let you know about the sensor. So this is the counterweight. The bar fits in here like that, and this actually onto your monitor. Your monitor would be here, like so, and this sits against it, and this just against the front of it. This is the back, this is the front, and it's all padded inside, which is nice. Non-slip rubber here to make sure it stays in place. This hole in the back is where our USB port would go in when you slide the lamp in, which this would be the lamp here. It is LED, obviously, and the way it works is they're on the back edge. I don't know if you can see that down in here. There we go. They're in the back edge, and the light actually reflects off the front, because this is the front of the lamp, this is the back. So when it is there, the light comes that way and comes down at an angle, and when it is in the stand, like so, you can actually tilt it and adjust it just a little bit, enough to keep it off of your screen so you don't get any glare on it, and it really does work. I use this primarily at nighttime, because it's not a very, very bright lamp like other ones are, which, it's fine for me. Whatever. I use both. I'm actually using right now another BenQ lamp. BenQ, whatever you want to call it. I don't remember how to pronounce it. But, okay. So here is the new addition for the ScreenBar Plus now. We have a USB power cable here. Well, let's just do this real quick here. This actually, it splits off. So one goes to the lamp, and then one goes to power. It's just a micro USB port in the back of the lamp. And we have our power one, standard USB, and then this is for the light, and it splits off. So then you can move this wherever you need to on your desk. Now, according to this, we have, this says remove, but whatever. Our light sensor there. This is for auto dimming. Press for automatic brightness adjustment, and the indicator will shine green. Brightness and U switch is this one. Press the switch between brightness adjustment and color temperature adjustment. And this is the dial. Press to turn on and off. Rotate to adjust brightness or color temperature to what you want. And then, of course, we have our LED indicators down here at the bottom, which brightness indicator this side, and U adjustment indicator that side, so you know which mode you're in. Got a non-slip rubber base on it there, and as you can see, it is actually at an angle, so when it's sitting on your desk, it's easier to access. But that's about it, really. I mean, I don't know what else to say. Unboxing it, it is what it is. The BenQ ScreenBar Plus lamp. I very much like the original one. It's actually on my monitor right there, which I can't exactly see it right this second. But oh well. But it is there. I use it all the time. So I'm really curious about this one. It was one of my small complaints after using the original ScreenBar is the touch sensors, especially in the dark. They're kind of hard to see and stuff like that. This, I think, will be much easier to be able to control the lamp with, especially because it's down farther. You can put it somewhere on your desk. You don't have to reach all the way up on top of your monitor. But anyway, that's it. The BenQ ScreenBar Plus LED task lamp, e-reading lamp, whatever you want to call it. But that's it. Thanks.